are live, Tacoma, Washington, where the first day of the rest of our lives begins now. Joe Gray Jr. lift off. We've got a ball game. A rocket off the bat of the one hole. His fourth bomb of the year. JGJ. The Clowns have a 1-0 lead in the first. Delano a 1-2. Swing and a miss. Strikeout number 10 and plate appearance number 100. There's a base knock into right. An RBI base knock for Dale Francis Jr. All the way to the wall. Skoll to prime at first base. Griffin. Was he there? Yes, he was. Kenleday strike big. Double play ball. There's one. There's two. 1-1. Ballard, that's fair. The party animals walk off the second inning. An extra base hit for Mikey Ballard.
Lita Beta Boda Butt, Emerald Jade Greenball, and Chippy Dippy Dopey Dup, and Emmy Dimmy Dom. Emmy Dimmy Dom, Emerald Jade Greenball, and Lita Beta Boda Butt, and Chippy Dippy Dopey.
Coach Bloom pops up on the infield. Corral Prime, trick play opportunity. Pops it up in the hat.
Representing the Seattle Kraken, it's Bowie! And the first competitor to cross that finish line with a mascot on their back will win. Farty is up top first. Oh, down goes Peanuts. Down goes Bowie. Farty wins. It's over.
And the winner of Mascot Madness is Farty. And that guy. Paul Sizer. Trick play opportunity. Egg cut between the legs. Tough throw, great pick. Jason Swan. We'll take a pause as the Indianapolis Clowns wake up Jalen Vasquez. Baber, the Ginger Ninja, 425-foot fence in center. Reeves drops it center field. DJ Reeves, walk off the fourth. Jake Skoll goes home to score. Leday, smoked, center field. Hampton looking back. Hampton watches it go. The rookie rakes. Fluke working on a 7-minute inning right now, and Holsizer. Hole ball time. Here comes Andy Cosgrove in a Seattle Kraken jersey with Bowie. Corral Prime at first. Prime throws it away. The inning's over. Reese Hampton walks it off. Porter, the Oakland, California kid. Back pick. Got him! Andy Cosgrove throws out Flash the Kid. And immediately the Clowns want a challenge. The throw was there in time, was the tag. Let's take a look. Live, he looks safe, and this is the better angle. Yeah, absolutely. No question, should be a pretty quick challenge. Malachi Mitchell is safe. I'm seeing pretty clear evidence that will overturn them. The umpire and crew taking longer than I expected. They're giving it some good thought. Overturn it. They got it right. Flash days at first. Pistol squat Porter. Fires. Swing and a miss. Strand 2 in scoring position Wilson's fastball was hit 90-94. Swing and a miss. It's the off speed he uses to get Skoll. Swan takes off, slides into second. He's out. Chris Burgess, what a gun. The umpires will sprint over to the monitor. This one took negative
Upon
time.
further review,
Trey Hudson's already reemerged.
Field stands.
Joe Gray Jr. to Baber. Baber throws into the dugout. We've got a ball game. Here comes Vasquez to the plate. He's stuck a run down and he's out. No, he's safe. This will decide the ball game. Vasquez got caught in the middle. This call decides the game.
Ball on the field stands.
And the call
runner is
stands.
safe.
Gillespie. Jackie Bradley Jr. into left. Thomas converges. It's over. The Party Animals take night one in Tacoma by a final score of 3-2. Drew Gillespie closes the door. Welcome to Tacoma, Washington. 262 is batting average, but a 340 OBP. No, you got him. Backwards K, Nate Tellier. Appearances last night for JBJ, struck out once. Strikes out here, Nate Tellier. 2 for 2. 2. Oh, Telly, do it to him, please. He did it to him. Oh, no. 3 up, 3 down, all via strikeout. Nate Tellier, a 2-minute, 22-second inning. 92 for the big lefty. Cosgrove in the center. JBJ between the legs. What a trick play. Oh. Ball 4 sprint. It's a walk-off. Shall we shake that? Count remains full. Telly's already thrown 1 ball 4 sprint this inning. Payoff. Dale Francis Jr. Right field. Dale Francis Jr. Right out of here. Bingo. Bango. Bongo. A 2-run shot. For 44. The 4th home run of the weekend for the Cardinals.
Give it to me. Give me that stuff, that funk, that sweet, that funky stuff. Give it to me. Give me that stuff, that funk, that sweet, that funky stuff. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give me the funk, that sweet, funky stuff.
Kirkland Banks in the 6 outs. No, but he does this one himself. His 2nd trick play of the year, and Swan goes behind the back. Thomas, left field. Dancero diving. What a grab. Leday, right field, to the warning track. That'll score at least 1. Joe Lytle, past the diving glove of Swan. Skoll fires home. Not in time.
You say the price of my love's not a price that you're willing to pay. You cry in your tea which you hurl in the sea when you see me go by. Why so sad? Remember we made an arrangement when you went away. Now you're making me mad. Remember, despite our estrangement, I'm your man. You'll be back, soon you'll see. You remember you belong to me. You'll be back, time will tell. You remember that I've served you well. Oceans rise, empires fall. We have seen each other through it all. And when push comes to shove, I will send a fully armed battalion to remind you of my love. Da 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 ya. Da 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 ya.
Batting now, King George III.
Fisher Polidoro after the signature walk-up. First pitch swinging, fly out. That's one of my favorite walk-ups I've ever seen us do. Do it. Holsizer! Oh no! Way out of here! Cranked to the conifers. Well, that's not good. 7 runs for the Indianapolis Clowns here in the third. His second home run of the weekend. Holsizer's hot. Here comes Andy Cosgrove. Oh no! It's time for Tarps off. The Kirkland, Washington kid. Take it off. Slow, steady, undriven. No, his entire team. They're all taking their shirts off. They're prompting the crowd to do the exact same thing. Tacoma's going Terps off. 9 runs already tonight. Hall Cosgrove. It is hometown. Shirtless. Andy Cosgrove is hot. Andy's really good at banana ball. His first home run of 2026 comes in his hometown game. Reeves. Oh, Leday, double play ball. There's one. Wolf to first. 2. What a pick from Corral Prime. The fun ends early. Hand low Kitty says, I like the drinking game. No, we can't. Into right field. Skull at the wall. Smell you later. Dale Francis Jr. has his second home run of the game. Right into that tree. That's a big old bat right there. The second of the game for Dale Francis Jr. The 5th of the 2-game series, 2-game stretch so far. Thomas through the right side. Mark Smith will hold up at second base wisely. Noah Fisher, center field. Jackie Bradley Jr. tracking back, goes between the legs. Gutsy play from the MLB vet, but the Animals, via the sac fly, have another run on the board. Cosgrove, unload, into left, he walks off the 4th. The Animals rally from 4 down. His second home run of the night in his hometown. 9 innings within its confines. Oh my goodness, Joe Gray Jr. into left, line it out of the park. You get a home run, you get a home run, you all get home runs. His second of the weekend.
Now coming to pitch, the first ever mascot pitcher. Please welcome Peanuts!
He is the world's first mascot pitcher. I've been asked, who's the guy in the suit? There's not a guy in the suit. Hampton. Well struck into left. Dansereau. Trick play opportunity. Dansereau behind the back. Peanuts gets the out. Leave him out there. They're going to leave him out there. Skoll. Deep right field. The world's first pitching mascot. Gives up a big bomb. Did you not hear me? I said you get a home run. You get a home run. You get a home run. Everyone here gets home runs. An earned run for Peanuts. Jake Skoll. X just gave it to you. So get this, Doc. The elephant comes out there in a glove, and he's pitching, and the former first-round draft pick hits a really deep home run off of him. He just looks me in the eyes and says, all right, back to sleep for you. That's enough. To the left. Do it, Swanee. Do it, Swanee. Dansereau fires home. Big play at the plate. Wow, Brian Dansereau, what a cannon! The Indy ball kid. His entire team runs out to left. Could not ask for a better throw. Cuts down Jason Swan.
I want to be free. I want to just live inside my Cadillac. That is my now throw it up. That's what it is. In my C-A-D-I-L-L-A-C whip. Can't see me through my tents. I'm riding real slow, and my paint wet, dripping, shining like my 24s. I don't got 24s, but I'm on those Vogues. That's those big white walls, wrap round them honey spokes. Old school like old English in my brown paper bag. I'm rolling in that same whip that my granddad had. Hello, haters, man, y'all mad. 30K on a caddy, now how that pack rap is that?
I got that all-black Cadillac, midnight drive. Got that gas pedal leaning back, taking my time. I'm rolling that boot-bop, letting in the sky shine. The city never looks so bright, bright.
Now batting John Howard Bobo.
Do it again, do it again. Make it over 4. Between the legs this time. Fish, left side. Banks, diving play. Web jam, yes! Cosgrove, left field. He is the first player in Banana Ball Championship League history with 3 home runs in a ball game. And he does it steps away from his hometown. Right here in Tacoma, Washington. Walk off the 7th
see your guy in his home state rake like that.
Hey, 3 homers is special anywhere in the world. Get to do it in your hometown. I know my guy's having a big night. Party Animals are going to come back and win this for our guy. Be the showman of the night. Dude's putting it on for us. Stay tuned. The boys are getting hot right now.
For the Clowns, who has 2 home runs. Lytle, right side through. Lytle, extra bases. 2 RBI. The former Party Animal. 2 for 4 night. Started 0 for 2. Swan can make it 2 for 5. Foul territory. Fair territory. Wanted the world. Swan to second. No, the throw's not in time. Gets away. What are we doing? Play it third. Save. It's a base hit for Corral Prime. That should do it. Thomas to the right. Cowboy Joe Gray Jr. And it makes no sense, but this series is tied. Clowns win it 8-6 over the Party Animals. And Jake Skoll is in the golden batter jersey, walking toward the dugout. Let's see a shot of that. Skoll is still in the golden batter cape. He had a home run tonight. Cosgrove had 3 home runs. Hometown game. Down to your last out. You leave the golden batter on the table. You can't take it home with you. And we are live. Curious, which team will eclipse Mount Rainier in a banana ball rubber match at its base? Following a game with a league record 8 home runs in last night's soiree, these 2 teams are hitting at an elite level, and the entertainment is just as hot. It's a standalone contest in the Pacific Northwest. There's nowhere else to go in banana ball today than right here. Welcome to Tacoma, Washington. Well, now Bobby does banana ball. Leday, left field, launched. Bobby Leday, his second bomb of Tacoma. Death, taxes, home runs. Of a white Nissan Maxima, looks like Arkansas plates, and then grounds into a double play. Yes, no. Corral Prime trying to go behind the back. Swanee, deep right field, not deep enough. Joe Gray Jr. is there. It's a sac fly for Swan and an RBI. Runners go. Left side, Eli Payton, Hoover. And a bad throw is picked by Prime. The Clowns have won the inning. Former UCLA Bruin turned Grand Canyon University Lope. Oh, right back to Helton. Trick play opportunity, count it. On the evening. 1 for every inning we played. Holsizer in the center. Reese Hampton with the range. On the run, behind the back. Reeser. Burgess got him looking. Trey Hudson says that Noah Fisher went. Now Fish moved into right. It's down, and it's a walk-off. 5th RBI on the season for Fish. It's time to get those pinkies up.
But it goes like this.
Honestly, one swing away. I'd say 20 feet away with Tanner's ball he hit last night. So it's a of like, oh my.
Oh, speaking of that,
what a weekend.
Joe Gray Jr., his 3rd home run.
My God. He's hot right now, Dre.
Red hot this weekend.
My goodness. But yeah, when it goes back to that, it's either trusting what you got coming up. I got some of my grinders coming up to play, the Reese, Skull, Reeves. It's like, I don't think it's the best interest in banana ball to be like, hey, let's speed this up so we get to that ninth. I say, hey, let's compete right now and let's win this game. And I mean, we got pretty close.
You're a professional. I appreciate you asking or answering the tough questions that were asked here, and go win a ball game. Thanks, Skip.
I appreciate y'all. Love you guys.
Love you, Skip. See you, Bob. Pro's pro right there.
Hand me down a walking cane, hand me down my hat. Hurry now and don't be late, 'cause we ain't got time to chat. You and me, we're going out to catch the late sound. Guaranteed to blow your mind so high you won't come down. Get on, prepare yourself for the rubber band. Man, you'll never heard a sound like a rubber band. Man, you're bound to lose control when the rubber band starts to jam.
Champion, as a manager of these party animals, has the respect of the league. Left field. The range of Reese Hampton shown off there. That is the case. Reeves trucking along. Does Swan want second? He does. Ball four sprint defense is flubbed by the Clown. And now, if Ballard could just replicate that, a ball four sprint of his own, the inning would be tied. Swing and a miss, Santos Sierra. Clowns win the inning. And Bridges B tripping. Burgess, another base hit for the Clowns. Holsizer headed home. No need for a throw. There's one anyway. Still nobody out. Infield in. Ooh, right field. Hampton on the run. It's off the wall. Joe Gray Jr., his second extra base hit of this game. Stand-up double. 2 more runs come home for the Clowns. Bringing him to the plate. Well, not the real one, but audio track at least. A foul ball, caught by the fans. Jackie Bradley Jr., the World Series champion, is retired by that guy who gives his wife a kiss. Let's see, clean catch. That's why you bring your gloves. Lytle to Baber. Baber between the legs, trying to pick that equalizer point. Count it. Thomas. 106 off the bat. Still way ahead. 3-1 is high. Ball four sprint. 2 runs will come home for the Animals. Mark Smith to third. Clean ball four sprint defense from the Clown. Oh, got him looking. Clark Gilmore. Skoll through the right side. will tie the inning as Fisher is held at third. Reeves, right field, deep. DJ Reeves has the first grand slam in regulation in banana ball history. A tank in Tacoma. We have rewritten the history books in this three-game soiree in the Pacific Northwest. Fisher polyphonic into center field. Hampton behind the back. Trick play. Count it. Bronny up the middle. Here comes Swan. Bronson ball home. Walks off the fifth. This ball game is a 3-2 lead for the Animals. The fans could have gone to it. Nobody does. And it doesn't matter. Can I help you, sir? No. I'm just looking. Payoff. Grounded to Baber. Dustin Baber, bouncer, yeah! Ryrod leaves him stranded and he's incensed. Positively. Okay, whoa. Oh, whoa. All over the 6,500 on hand here in Tacoma. By pitch. Luckily he was okay after getting hit in the hand. Rolls one over. Worm burner. Ground out. Finished his college career at Gardner Webb. Swings. Misses over the off speed for Peter Holden. That's a testament to the speed of both these teams trying to get us there. Flash. Headed home. Throw from left. Offline. Clowns have a run here in the seventh. The first regulation grand slam of banana ball history. Reeves stay hot. Drops a single into center. Skoll gets the wave, and it's bobbled by Joe Gray Jr. One for one. Double play ball. Peyton to Banks. Banks to Prime. Got him! And the fans challenge this. This play. Swan is clearly out. Up the middle. The wave. Bronson ball home. His second walk-off. In this Sunday soiree. Animals 4. Clowns 2. We're headed to the 8th. Hitters count for Lytle. Ball 4. It's outside. They'll be on the corners, and the Clowns have a run in the 8th. Right field. Skoll at the wall. It's gone. Dale Francis Jr. His 3rd home run in the last 2 games. 3-run blast. And with 4 minutes and 30 seconds left in the 8th inning, we're 4 minutes and 30 seconds away from the Clowns being awarded 4 points in a game they trail 4-2. This is going to be it. This is going to be the final inning. And another run that will soon turn point comes home for the Clowns. Another run comes home. And officially, those are points. The 2-hour timer has expired. Welcome to the final inning. Kaz. Pop out. Andy throws the bat. Rightfully frustrated, and Nick Wilson has... Still, that party almost dug out. Incensed. That's it. Minute and 37 seconds from Nick Wilson. The Clowns entered the 8th inning down 4-2. They lead the 8th inning with an 8-4 victory. Indianapolis takes Tacoma. The series belongs to the Maroon and Navy.
Just